I need you to go out there. I need you to fix that door for me.
Okay, let's go fix the door. Take it out now. Oh.
What is in your hand?
This is a wrench.
Is that in the, what is
A
that?
screw.
Is that it?
It's stuck.
Did you test it? Does this garage door need to be fixed?
Yes. It's
Wait.
the screw's sticking out.
Will you click the button and see?
Oh. Oh, maybe it's working now. Maybe I fixed it. Okay. Job completed.